Straight to Oscar Ritchie, great catch there. Hastings boys making small yardage. They're moving now, gaining some momentum. Red Power joining in there. Some great defense from Tauranga. Hastings boys making the meters again. Try, beautiful work there from Hastings boys, and that's Vincent Kitty again. Tauranga pushing through there, making some good meters on Hastings. Looking to go to the blind side for Tauranga. Pushing over, great try there from Tauranga boys. Good win there from Tauranga. Pushing it there. Making some meters, Tauranga's. Just gone down there. Tauranga's received the advantage, but they're still moving. Tauranga's still moving there. Just getting on the line. Drop down, and that's a try there for Tauranga boys. Beautiful work from their forwards there, some great strength. Hastings boys just in there. Joseph Lilosefo. Some good meters. Hastings boys moving forward there, just shy of the line. Their forwards looking to push. Hastings boys with a good try there. And Kyan Lowe with a good chase there, gets the ball back from Hastings boys. Beautiful work there from Kyan, just showing his speed once again. Just to the inside ball there from Isaiah Tulio to Oscar Ritchie. Sorry, Morko Lambert there. And there's Rafe Robinson again, showing us how light he is on his feet. Beautiful try there from Rafe Robinson. Looking for a big scrum here for both teams. Tauranga's won that one. They've taken us to the blind side. Morko Lambert, great way to slow him down there. And he scored in there for Tauranga boys, great work.
Māori Active.